Did you know that instead of creating a new backend field yourself to make a group for data, or even going back into the database to add a new column, you can easily group data with a couple of clicks in Power BI? Super easy. Click your visual in the visualization panes right here, go to your x-axis value, and just hit the drop down. Now look at this at the bottom, new group. Excellent. And these are all my products here. And all I really want to do is I like Passio. That can be its own group. That's the top seller. And for everything else, you know what? I'm just going to group Amarillo, Carretera, and Montana. I'll group those. And these two can be in their own group. Just control clicking for that. Cool. Now I'm going to name this. I'll say the cool 3, the best 1, and I'm going to rename this group the strange 2. Hit OK. Look at that. Now we have it nice, neat, and grouped. The cool 3, the strange 2, and the best 1. Notice on the far right pane in the fields, it actually added a new available field called product groups 2. 2 because I've already made one before here.